Here we have Windows Terminal and Claude, and the idea is that if you don't want to type in the terminal and you want Claude to register the commands by voice, so you basically talk in the microphone, there is a way to do that. So from Windows there is a built-in speech-to-text tool which can be activated if you click Windows and H at the same time. So both buttons, Windows and H, and it looks like this. It displays this small window here that you can move. Alright, so if you click on the terminal, you click on the microphone button. Hello Claude, I'm using the speech-to-text tool from Windows. And as you can see, it typed the message. I didn't have to just write it from the keyboard. And this can be useful in some cases if you don't want to just type all the time. In some cases, if there is really nothing technical to type, this can be useful. Here is another example. Hello Claude. And if I press enter, it will just take the command right away, and the microphone will just stop registering. And also it seems that it works quite well. Hello. Hello again. And as you can see, even if I make a pause, it will still register. So you won't need to be stressed that your command is not registered fully. So this is how you can use Claude with vocal commands. I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.